Oh, thanks for checking out our little Ford Fiesta that just arrived here. This one's got the fog lights on the bottom, fantastic bright headlights, really low 30,000 Ks, alloy wheels, coming down through the sides in great condition. Coming through inside the car, it's in very good condition with that premium trim as well. And of course, you've got all the service manuals to go with. Going through inside the car, it's in great condition, side curtain airbags. Going through into the front, you've got that leather wrap steering wheel as well. So you've got side airbags on the seat. Coming across the back, in great condition, quick release boot. Down through the side. And colour coded door handles. Coming through inside the vehicle, you get your leather wrap steering wheel as well. You've got your cruise control, audio control through here, and you do get many other features. So your electric windows, electric mirrors, 30,000 Ks, clear multifunction display, and automatic transmission. This has got plenty more features. Feel free to contact us. We do range finance and premium protection plans this car is applicable for, so we look forward to speaking to you soon.